Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link social media profiles to your Wix website. This is a great way to boost your online presence and make it easy for visitors to connect with you across different platforms. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage your site settings. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to make sure that this is the website you wish to link your social media profiles on, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the right site before proceeding. Once you've confirmed, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to open up the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to customize your site. Now that you're in the Wix website editor, start by locating the Add Element menu on the upper left part of your screen. This menu contains all the different elements you can add to your site. From the menu, look for the social section and click on it. Under the social section, look for the social bar element. You'll see different types of social bars you can choose from, each with its own style and layout. Once you've selected the one that fits your website's design, simply drag it onto your website where you want it to appear. You can always adjust its position later if needed. Once the social bar is added to your site, you'll see a Set Social Links button appear on the top of your social bar element. Click on it to start adding your social media profile links. A Set Social Link dashboard will appear, displaying various social media icons. Click on each social media icon one by one, and look at the right part of your screen. From here, you'll see a link icon. Click on it, and this is where you paste your social media profile links. Make sure each link is correct so visitors are directed to the right profiles. Once you've configured all the social media links for each icon, click on Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your social media profiles are now linked to your Wix website, making it super easy for visitors to find and follow you on different platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.